At the Larsen Toubro's engineering facility in Coimbatore, where rocket components are made, the talk is about sky-high opportunities, quite literally. As the government focuses on cutting imports and boosting private participation in the aerospace sector, India's largest private sector defence manufacturer by revenue feels it can do more. The global launch vehicle market is expected to hit about $160 billion over the next decade. And the Indian government has set a target of reaching $44 billion for the country's commercial space sector in that time.
As a company, we believe that the sector is opening up. There is a larger role that we can play beyond manufacturing into the vehicle assembly, integration, into providing launch services. So there is a whole space economy which is opening up. And as L&T, we are looking at how we can leverage our legacy, our heritage in this to the future requirements of this segment.
India's push for privatization aligns with broader trends seen in the United States and China, where companies like SpaceX and private Chinese satellite firms are playing an increasing role in strategic programs. India's first launch of a privately built PSLV booster, delayed from early 2025, is expected to occur by mid-year, says Larsen Toubro. Each booster, several of which were in various stages of assembly in this factory, costs about $30 million.
The PSLV is one example where we are working along with ISRO and industrializing it, making it something that can be produced at commercial scale, where we can provide launch services on demand, where we are able to deliver payload capacity as the market demands.
India has earmarked 1.12 trillion rupees or $13.5 billion for domestic defence procurement this financial year, and about a third of that is for private industry. Larsen Toubro is positioning itself to capitalise on the government's ambition to reduce reliance on foreign suppliers.
Space for defence is clearly something all countries are looking at, and it is a strategic segment for the government, and anybody working in the space domain, especially domestic companies, could surely contribute to that. So we are looking at all those aspects of space, and the technologies can be spread across different segments.